Now we're going to do the following. We're going to monitor the actual, so the progress. Let's say, for example, that we started this exactly on this date. Okay. And also for this, we are the same. And here we're going to copy the values of this. This we're going to copy the values of this. Okay, let's say that this is okay, the 26th, this one is okay, and then the 2nd of June I'm gonna start this. Again, this is not finished yet. Okay, I'm going to evaluate the progress. The progress should be basically equal to, so if this is greater than 0, then I'm going to evaluate like this. If the end is less than today, then it will be 100%. Otherwise, it will be the formula will be today minus start, which is the end, which is G4 minus the start, which is F4. Correct. 0 if start is 0 or there is no value. Day is equal to 1, otherwise to the formula. Okay, so we have 100%. I'm gonna check the other ones. -1. Okay, do a forecast. So here we are also, because it's today. Then I will start this activity. I'm gonna copy this formula and paste this. Okay, so I change this. I put, for example, that I started the 3rd. Okay, so I have 25% of this. Okay. Here I'm going to conditional formatting. Okay, I want to show also the progress. So I'm going to do this, manage rules, new rule, use again a formula, and again it is the same as before. So the actual start of the project is this date. If this dollar in front of the 4, and then again dollar -1 is not greater, so less or equal to the end, which is G, like this. Interesting. Fill. I use a pattern, this style here, so that I can still see the blue of the planning. Okay. Okay, see here now the progress. You see? I can also have much above the developer ribbon, insert checkbox, this one, edit text. Okay, and then I'm gonna make it small. Then we will see later how to format this. We'll show progress. And G, show progress. Okay, this is true. Okay, and this I'm going to, for my control, I link to this one. Okay, I can also hide this. how to show to my user if you want, and show the progress. That means that if I'm going to select again this, I'm going to home, conditional formatting, manage rules. I'm going to select this, edit, and I'm going to add another condition here. Okay, this is true. Well, just to keep it like this. Click on like this and okay. So show the progress, or I don't show the progress, you see? It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay. The same for this area. There is something wrong in this formula. Of course, I'm showing more than the date. Condition 1, edit rule. It is not the end day. I'm going to show this. Okay, otherwise it is not like this. Also another condition, together than this. Okay, I'm gonna format painter. Here is negative, so also I have to say if today. As an exercise, you can copy the rest here. Now you have basically displayed here your plan, and you show your progress if you want. This, you can also change the start date if you want. You can do a following insert project start. Okay, then we can also do the rest. Okay, but for the moment we do like this, project start. Okay, here cancel for the moment, project start, and here we type a date. The 28th of May. Okay, here's the 28th. Again, the day today is moved again here, as you can see. Okay, if I start on the 21st, we will see now how to continue our project. I will show you how to get milestones out of it, and I will explain you what milestones are.